Right. 1. Kit. Now, the school will provide the match strip, but the boys' team will be expected to provide training kit and polish. Right? 2. Dress. Now, I want you all to provide a complete change of smart clothes for the evening meal. You will all look smart. Now, on and off the field, you're going to be representing the school. And as we'll be in Belgium, you'll also be representing your country.
I come from Barbados, man.
3 toiletries, including toothpaste. Now, 4. Money. Now, as you all know, we teachers are vastly underpaid. Yeah. So I'm not going to be bailing you little lot out, am I? Right? It should be in francs by now. And you make sure that when you get a blankander, you've got enough left to buy your parents a little present. After all, we've shelled out 100 quid for you, little lot on this. Right. Now we come to what you do not do. You lot are still only 15 years old, therefore no buying or consuming of alcohol. You never know, you win the tournament, we may run to an extra half a pint of shandy on the last night. But any of you lot, the worse for drink, and the next morning you will find yourself at great expense to the school and your parents on the ferry. Right, have a good time, you will pull your weight. But the rules laid down about time and your responsibilities, you treat them as laws laid down by me. And it's not in your best interest to break the law. Any questions?
What about, you know, sir, if we meet a girl?
Well, you bring her to me. I'd like to meet her. Never know, if I approve, I'll give you 10 minutes. Right. Anybody else? No? Okay. Well, best of luck. I'll see you tomorrow.
Will Mr. Ryan report to the Secretary's office, please? Mr. Ryan.